making money is really difficult in stock market, in crypto market, or just through investing. It's really difficult. It's not easy at all. But if you stick to one style, if you stick to one thing out of these three styles, which I'm going to tell you in today's vlog, then you can also make a lot of money in the market. Just make sure that you stick to one style for a couple of years. Bingo.
Touchdown like the end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone.
Good morning, vlog. But so a lot of people keep saying me that, bro, your vlogs are full of information, but we really also want to see your life. We want to see what do you do after you wake up, how do you cope up with your day, how do you plan your content, how do you write stuff, how do you decide what to invest, where to invest, all of that. लोगों को मेरी life के बारे में क्यों जानना है? Why are you guys interested? Are you interested? If you're interested and you want me to record more of the day, along with the kind of knowledge which I give you, along with the concepts which I tell you about, all the things which I'm learning, बहुत energy हो गई ना सुबह के हिसाब से. But yeah, I'll cover a lot of things from my vlog, lot of things from my life, and try to show you guys. If you want to see that, comment right now and type life, Raj. We want to see your life. If you comment that, I'll get to know that you guys love this part as well, and I'll show you more about how I decide to invest in companies. What do I do after I wake up? How do I decide my goals? How do I write? How do I stay motivated? And subah utte se, first thing in the morning, I just brush my teeth, and how can I talk like this with so much energy? Yes, if you want to know all of that, comment right now. Let's start the vlog of the day. First thing मैं उठ के सबसे पहले ये करता हूँ that I end up. This is what I do the first thing, okay? That I just write down like all the things which I have to do on this board. मैं already लिख दिया. Next time दिखाऊंगा कि what do I do, how do I think. It takes me approximately 30 minutes to do all of this, okay? That I decide what exactly to do. So today I was deciding like, okay, I need to record 3 reels, I need to record like YT videos and 3 types of video. Then I need to record a Swiggy vlog. Then I need to like, I need to record a podcast with Harshad Mehta. Today it's happening. Everybody, by the time this vlog is out, I'm sure my podcast with Harshad Mehta will be out as well. So make sure that you watch that one. Then I have to read a book, which usually I don't read. What this is, like intellectual, physical, emotional, I'll tell you more about it in today's vlog because this is what exactly we're going to talk about. So yaar, मेरे पास है ना, I have like somewhere around 200 books, but I just got few of them here from my house. So yeah, these are the books I am going to read. I have to start reading today because since quite a while I haven't read. Let me know also if you guys want to see my book collection. If you guys want to see how do I choose books, what book should I. Ye sari books, by the way, I haven't read yet. I have to start reading them. And the biggest task, I think the most difficult thing is to read a book. So I was telling you, I was asking like, do you guys want to know what kind of books do I read? Do you guys have any interest on how do I choose books? So let me know. Also, reading book is really difficult. Okay, consuming content. It's सुबह उठो तो मन नहीं होता, रात को सोने जाओ तो नींद आती है. Like it's so goddamn difficult, right? Like I think that before bed I'll start reading. So, but the moment I hit the bed, I sleep, and then I feel that okay, morning mein first thing after I wake up I'll do this. But then after I wake up I don't feel like doing anything because pehle ek to it takes a lot of effort to get out of the bed and start doing the work. I don't want to read book in the complete man. Like I want to watch reels on Instagram. Yeah, I want to do something fun, easy. So reading books is difficult, but even more difficult is choosing which book to read. I can't decide. I get like 2 or 3 books. I start reading one and then I find about some other topic. Then I order more 2-3 books. Then I order 2-3 books differently. Then I get some article with like, oh, 7 books you should read in order to get successful. Then I read that as well. And I read that article instead of actually reading the book which I've already ordered from a previous article which said 3 books to read right now. How many people like me You love hoarding books and you end up reading none. So type in the comment box, let me know if my gang is here. Well, I'll choose a book today and I'll let you know which book did I choose and how did I choose that book. Straight, let's go and start with the first task of the day, and that is I want to record my reel and my content of the day before I actually get down to the work. So usse pehle I'll go take shower, and after the shower I'll show you the rest of the day. Idhar bhi chaloge kya? Bye. Just took the shower right now and got out. Up, let's start the goddamn day. I'll record some content and after that I'll have lunch. Or fir, I'll tell you about the 3 types of investors which people, like 3 types of personality of investors which you can choose one from. What am I saying, man? The 3 types of personalities of an investor who make money most of the time in the market. I'm going to tell you about that. Switch to work mode. I was talking about the 3 types of people who actually make money in the market, right? But let me tell you first thing first. There are a lot of people who don't make money in the market. And I tell you why. Because they start investing and they stick to the kind of style which actually tarnishes their entire mental health and their decision making ability. You know why? Because people start with, oh bro, you know what? I found this best stock. I know yaar, this trader told me about this one tip. Whenever he'll tell me about this one stock now, I'll just buy it at that time and then I'll exit it, I'll make a lot of money. Okay, then bro, you know what? My friend knows everything about cryptocurrencies, okay? So he knows about it, he knows, he has made like a lot of money in it. वो जैसा बोलेगा, whatever this guy tells me, I'm gonna use that, I'm gonna do that and make a lot of money. And then there's one kind of style where like, bro, you know what? All of my friends, everybody is making money in the stock markets or in the crypto market. So let me also put it. I know what other people are doing. I've read one book and now I know how to do it. And these are the exactly people who end up losing money in the market. And then they blame, oh, you know what? Let me stay away from all this investing in stock market because ये सब अपने लिए नहीं है. Of course it is for you. It is for every person who understands one basic principle that there's a specific kind of style. So no matter how many people will you see in the market, no matter how many people in India or abroad, from Warren Buffett to Harshad Mehta to the richest of the richest people today, and in fact that one person in your friend circle who's making a lot of money in the stock market or in crypto market, they all stick to one style or any of these 3 styles. And 3 types of styles of a stock market investor or a crypto market investors are: number 1, which is like a Warren Buffett style, which is intellectually difficult. Now, what do I mean by intellectually difficult? So, intellectually difficult matlab that this one kind of style is very difficult. So, what Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, these kind of people do, they wait for one company. They wait for that one company which will come at the right time. So, what will they do? They won't wait and be like, hope ki ek din company aa jaye. No. They'll read a lot, they'll understand a lot, they'll talk to the management of the company, they'll go through balance sheets after balance sheets, the company reports after company reports, they'll search the entire market, they'll wait for years and years, and then one company will come and they'll invest a lot of money into that particular. So they trust their decision of finding the right company after acquiring a specific kind of knowledge, which like what a CFAs does, investment bankers does, a lot of people who have acquired a specific financial literal knowledge, they get into it and then they trust their decision and they invest in the market based on that decision. But not everybody is blessed with that kind of financial acumen, right? It takes you years of practice to come down to a position where you can make a decision based on one company. And these people don't keep investing here and there ki, yaar abhi hai na, till the time let the company come, I will put my money into this stock. Till the time that one company comes. No, they don't do that. They accumulate a lot of money and wait for that one good company or 2 good companies, and then they invest a lot in that one company and make fortune. And then they wait for years and years and years, and the right company will give them good returns at the end of 5 years, 10 years or 20 years. This is what the intellectually difficult path looks like. That's for the style number 1, which a lot of big traders, big investors like Warren Buffett or investment bankers do. The second style, The second style is physically difficult. Physically difficult matlab, it's like, maybe you'll be like, bro, I don't have that much knowledge, but I still want to start. And I want to do it. I've got this course of trading and let me do it. Most of the people are physically exhausting kind of investments they choose. Why is it physically exhausting? It's because what these people do, they learn from morning till night and they're just in front of the screen. So in front of the screen, they're looking at the charts, the volumes, the bars of the stock market. Markets खुलने से पहले सुबह उठ के आ जाते हैं. Market खत्म होने के बाद जब market का time close हो जाता है, market close होने के बाद ये लोग उसके बाद और बैठे रहते हैं. They are always in front of their screens. They are listening at every opinion, every review, every stock, just waiting for the news to come out. और सुबह से लेके रात तक सिर्फ screen के सामने बैठे रहते हैं. These guys take decision based on their particular news, based on particular first insight. That before the retail investors get to know about what's going on in the market, let me understand this one news. Stock market ये थोड़ा सा direction दिखा रहा है नीचे जाने का. फटाक से let me buy it, and then when it starts picking up, let me sell it. So these guys are the ones who are physically exhausted ones. They just wait from morning till night. They're just working 24/7 on phone पे है, 10 लोगों से बात कर रहे हैं. These guys are again and again and again and again talking to a lot of people and sitting in front of CNBC, NDTV, just watching through money control. They're doing everything. These are the traders. This is physically exhausting, but these people make a lot of money as well. But there's a third style. And now most of you will be like, bro, I don't have the time to actually acquire that amount of knowledge because I do business or job in a different segment than finance. Great. First style is not for you. Second, I don't even have time enough कि मैं सुबह से लेके रात तक screen के सामने बैठूं. I don't have enough time that I'll be sitting in front of the screen and learning about stock market curve from morning till night and reading every news, every article, every rumor about the company and can get connected with a lot of union leaders across the world. No, I don't have enough time as well. So what should I do? Is it making money in the markets or making money in the cryptocurrency market or the stock market is not for me? Of course it is for you, it is for everyone. But this is the style for everyone who doesn't have the time, who doesn't have the financial acumen, but still want to make money. The same style which I go for. There's a third style, that is emotionally difficult style. And what do I mean by emotionally difficult style is, every month you set out like a fixed percent of your income, 10%, 20%, 50%, whatever income you're making, whether it's 50,000, 5,000 or 50 crores, whatever you're making, you take out a specific percent, let's say 20% from your income, and then you put it in the stock market. Automatically. Bhale market up hai ya down hai, you don't care. Whether it's the right time to invest or the wrong time to invest, you don't care at all. For years, every month, month on month, you keep investing a fixed percentage of your income in the market in good sustainable businesses. After considering and taking financial advices from the right financial advisors, you take it that you pick up few companies, few mutual funds, few stocks, and then you keep putting in. Every month, if let's say you're making 1 lakh rupees and want to invest 20%. So every month you're just putting 20,000 consistently without caring about anyone, without caring about any timing. You don't care कि तेरे friend ने कौन से time पे कौन सा cryptocurrency खरीद लिया. Bro, yes, Dogecoin is a rally I want to pick up. No, this is emotionally difficult. You have to be completely unrelated to the timing and the sentiments. You just stick to one rule. 20% or 30% or 50% from my income every month goes on to the investments. That's it. Systematic investment plan. So that you just keep investing in the market for years, consistently month after month after month, so that 10 years, 20 years, 25 years, 30 years later, you end up with a lot of wealth. You accumulate a lot of wealth. And that's the best way for everyone who doesn't have the right kind of knowledge, who doesn't have the right, who doesn't have a lot of time to stay in front of the screen. And that's the best way. So make sure that you're sticking to any of these strategies and trying to make money through the investment style, and then sticking to that one thing and picking up your winning stocks. Don't try to buffer on कि आज मेरा टाइम है खरीद लेता हूँ, आज मेरा टाइम है नहीं करता हूँ. Sometimes I'll be like SIP चल रहा है, sometimes I'll be like oh इसने ना ट्रेडर ने टिप दी. Sometimes I'll be like bro
I just read an article about budget. No, you don't have to do all of that. You literally just have to wait and for years and consistently keep on doing month-on-month investments based on this fixed percent which you have set for your investment, and that's how you make money. So this is it. See you in the next vlog. If you like this one and you like what I'm telling you, how I'm telling you about everything which I have learned about the markets, if you like the style and everything which I'm telling you right now, all you need to do is comment and let me know, and like, subscribe and put on a bell icon and let everybody know that this is the best business vlog in the country. And you guys, I'm grateful that you guys are here, coming here, supporting me. See you in the next vlog.